from a company known as Citawell, 9th generation UL217 10-year internal battery smoke detector for your needs. Opening up the smoke detector comes nicely packaged, protected inside with an accessory hardware package of screws and anchors. Removing the smoke detector out of its casing, we have a bracket to hang and the smoke detector and instructions on the back. We have the area of interest to test with the speaker areas shaped as a home and Wi-Fi, LED, and the pressing area. Activation area, deactivation area. Hanging with the arrow facing up, rotating on by matching up, locking into place, and securing down.
Fire, incendie.
The unit will talk to you and beep to you in a high decibel as heard. For our demonstration purposes, we're picking on the wall an area to hang our smoke detector by locking down. Place on the junction box. Simply align, match, rotate, and lock down. For demonstration purposes, on the box, we're setting up and locking down. We have here is a release mechanism. In this demonstration, we're lighting up a piece of cardboard. The bilingual voice fire alarm. Place it in your house, ceiling, wall. When detects smoke, the alarm will go off. This is the fire alarm with the 10-year battery life. Enjoy your fire alarm if this is what you are after.
Fire, incendie. Fire alarm 4. The total number of historical alarms is 2. Alarme incendie avant. Le nombre total d'alarmes en mémoire est de 2.
Enjoy your fire alarm for your household protection. Thank you for viewing.